If I want to make any changes to this summary, and if I add supposedly standard deviation, the standard deviation values are showed over here. Okay, it is showing here. Likewise, if I make any changes over here in the price analysis that we are seeing here, this data, now this dashboard is giving us the complete, like, a depth from this. It is showing us the two worksheets, the details of the analysis of both the worksheets, the equity segment worksheet and also the tech and price analysis worksheet into the price analysis dashboard. So the objective of this particular course is to create a dashboard and make it more interdependent types. Now, if I want, let us get out of this mode first. If we want, we can add additional features also in this. So with this, what we are doing is, like we see here, we are having the entire gamut. Like, so far it's been only 2 worksheets. So we are having we have added the analysis of those 2 worksheets in the dashboard. So supposedly, if you make any changes to the tech and price analysis sheet over here, I selected the median prices over here. If I come here and if I change all of these median values to what? Average values. Then it should get reflected in the price analysis also, but it is not. So what I'm doing is I'm saving this sheet again. So out here, we can actually see that the changes that you have made in the worksheet, it isn't reflecting here in the dashboard. Let us save this first. If however you want, you can right click this, add to the dashboard, which we already have actually. Go to the sheet, create a duplicate sheet. You can go to the sheet, and this sheet that we have, this particular sheet, we can create a duplicate. Now that is a copy that we've created. Okay, this copy that we have created, it is showing us this data. So if I go on the tech and price analysis, yeah, okay, out here, this sheet that I have created, okay, in this sheet we will create. So once we have created the duplicate sheet, in the duplicate sheet, we will be able to edit the data source. Okay, we can view the data, we can refresh, we can also extract this data and save the given data sort. We can export the data. So the original sheet that we have, we can do it, and in the duplicate data sheet also, sheet also, we can make the necessary changes. Let us click on edit data source. Now this data source that we have out here, we can make the changes, and then we can come here and we can save the particular duplicate workbook also. But for now, we are not going into that. What I'll do is I'll open a new worksheet, and in the new worksheet, now this worksheet that we have here, let's save. Now we have created a third worksheet over here, which is that of the copy, the duplicate that we have created. So in the duplicate values that we have created here, the copy, we can create a separate sheet altogether. Let us take the turnover. These are the values. Let us take the averages. Okay, I'm quickly saving this. Okay, this sheet number 3 is what? I'm renaming this sheet as TechM quantity analysis. Now out here, we have created the average analysis, the average analysis of the quantity and the turnover. Let us also come here and add the sum of spreads, highs and lows. Okay. What is the average? What is the minimum that it is providing? Let us check that. So these are the minimum values that they are providing us with. Okay. So I'm saving this also. This is quantity analysis sheet. So if I come back here on the price analysis sheet, I am able to see the quantitative analysis sheet. I can bring it and drag and drop it over here. Okay. So now it is showing me the quantity analysis sheet in the price analysis dashboard. Now you can move this here, wherever you want to. And then once you are here, the sheet name, etc. is already provided, so we don't need to provide it. Once you are here, you can do the analysis out here also. So what we've done is we have created different analysis for the same worksheet by creating its duplicate copy also. Again, all these are part of this entire analysis. Is part of what? It is part of the single dashboard. That is, this is the price analysis dashboard that we have created. And this, so these are some of the additional analysis. These are the additional filters that we had created here. We can have these on the dashboard. We can choose not to have them on the dashboard also. So let's delete these from the dashboard for now. Right now, so we have the equity segment, the TechM quantitative analysis, and the graph. Now this is the graph analysis, graphical analysis. So let's come here. And this is, so these are the three different worksheets that we have integrated into a dashboard. Now if I'm going to save it, I'll have saved it, but let us save it as not just creation of views and data and visualizations. We'll save this as, so let's create a new folder. Yeah. We'll save this as creation of dashboards and creation of dashboards. Okay, I'm saving this. So with this, we can now move to additional features on the dashboard that pertain to each individual worksheet that we have been integrating.